Greetings everyone, it's me Krish from Gossipfunda, and today we'll talk about how we can solve the problem of your Me TV or your Android TV lagging, and we'll talk about how you can solve the problem. So let's dive into the video without wasting much time.
Alright, so what we have to do is we have to press back, and here we'll look for TV manager. By what steps? We'll go to apps, and here you'll see a rocket, and you have to press that. This is the TV manager. Once you have clicked on TV manager, first you have to optimize the TV. Let it optimize. It's gonna take a little while, but you should let it optimize it. What it does is it optimizes that the TV is running, and it deletes the trash which has been there, like caches and all, and the running background apps. Now what you have to do is you have to click on memory boost. Now this will boost the RAM and delete all the applications that are running in the background. Once you have to click on memory boost again, and see, with 258 MB of memory has been boosted. You have to go back. Then you have to go to uninstall apps, and you have to search for any applications that you do not use, like this. You have to click on it. You have to press OK, and you have to uninstall it. You have to uninstall all the unnecessary apps that you are using, and once you have done that, then you again have to optimize the TV. Give it a little while it optimizes the TV through memory boost and trash deleting. And once that is done, we have to move forward to another step, which I'll show you. You have to go back. Then you have to go to your settings. Here you have to go to about, and then you have to check for system updates. If there are any updates, you should update it. If there are not, then that's good. See, your system is up to date. Then you have to go to apps. Here you'll have to go to see all apps, show system apps, and then you have to search for view phone media. You have to clear data of this. And once you have cleared the data, what you have to do is, you can see it's already showing a lot of improvement. Now what you have to do is you have to go to settings again, and then you have to go to network and internet. You have to switch off the Wi-Fi, and then you have to restart your TV. I'll power it off. Then power it on again. See, it's already showing a little improvement. And once you go back to where you started, once you go back to where you were on your TV, it will show a major improvement. Also, don't forget to switch on the Wi-Fi again, because if you don't switch on the Wi-Fi again, you won't be able to use the application, since they all work on internet, of course. See, since you can see, we are on our patch wall and it's running pretty smooth. See, it's running too smooth, and that's how you can solve the problem.
That is it for this video. I hope the video helped you, and if it did, do hit the like button. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. It's me Krish from Gossipfunda, and I will see you in the next one.